Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to send a WhatsApp message without saving phone number. So in that case, you need a app to send a WhatsApp message without saving number. So first, open the Play Store. Okay, open Play Store. Now click on search bar. Okay, now type easy message. Okay, EASY. Then space, then message, MESSAGE. All right, easy message like this. Okay, easy message. Then click search. Okay, now this app will come to your front. Okay, just click now install. Okay, this is the best app I ever used ever. Okay, installing. Just a second. Okay. So you can see this app has been installed to my phone. Now click open. Okay, open. So see, this is the interface of app. There is no problem with this app with ads, anything, nothing. So you can just type a WhatsApp number and then you can send SMS. Okay, so I'll try one number randomly. Okay, 71813098. Okay, this is a random number, don't try it. Okay, try yourself. Okay, now click on start chat in WhatsApp. Okay, all right, it's searching. Yeah, see, this is like WhatsApp. I didn't say this. Okay, just send hi. Okay, like this. Okay, the SMS has been sent. So friends, this is the tutorial today. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button